And where are we at, Angel?
Pershing State Park.
Pancake Tacos.
Pancake
right? Yeah.
Tacos. So,
Welcome back to another Pole House Black Pot Weekend Getaways. And where are we at, Angel?
Pershing State Park.
Oh, where is she?
Right here.
There she is. She's getting unpacked. Yes, we're at Pershing State Park. It's in northern Missouri, right? Just a couple miles, like 2 miles off of I-36, Highway 36. So just west of Brookfield, Missouri. So really nice, fairly level. Do a quick there. Road goes around. We came in from that way, came around. We're at lot site 14. Pretty level. We haven't leveled up the camper yet, but it's side to side was perfectly level. We just gotta let the front back down after they unhooked. And this is at the typical, say hi Annie. Iris is back over there sniffing. Regular picnic table, landing hook, fire pit. What you doing back here, Iris? Hey Iris, you gonna say hi to everybody? Hey, you gonna say hi? She's like, nope. Usually she wants to talk when I got this fired up the first time. So it's Friday night, early June, and we're gonna get set up. We don't have a whole lot that we're gonna do. Kind of neat. We're only steps away from one of the trailheads, Pershing State Park Oak Ridge Trail. Pretty cool. Right here's the trailhead. Let's see. Looks like it's marked in orange. One-way trail, 0.4 miles. Estimated hike time, 25 minutes. Looks like it's beautiful. Right down through the woods. So I think it's going to be a pretty good shaded spot. Sun set clear back over there, so it'll come up through here and back over that way in the morning. Yeah, it's a beautiful spot. Looks like normal. A lot of the beautiful oak trees, and right here is, I do believe, yes, you see that bark, how it starts peeling off like that on the bottom? That is a hickory tree. So that I think is, if I remember correctly, the hardest North American wood as far as density. So, all right, we're gonna finish cutting up, and we may or may not see any more tonight, but if not, we'll see y'all in the morning. See it, but I'm not quite level. A little more leveling.
Warm up your coffee cup here.
I'll warm it up and then I'll do it again. Morning, hon.
Wrong coffee.
There's yours.
You wouldn't want my coffee.
Morning, everybody. Iris says good morning. You say good morning, Iris? Yesterday she didn't make a peep, so I guess today she's gonna have to make up for it.
Yep.
Saying good morning. Now, Annie, she already got a toy. They already had their breakfast, didn't you?
Although Annie didn't eat, she don't like eating when we travel.
Yeah, she kind of does weird things when we travel. I don't know what's going on. She won't starve to death. She'll eat eventually today.
Yep.
She gets hungry enough, she'll eat. So
We got some plans this morning. There's a little museum in town for the guy that this state park is named after.
yeah, John Pershing or something
Yeah.
like that. John Jay or something. I think his nickname Jack. We'll go check out. It's a nice memorial there too, and it's his birthplace. I think it's where he was raised, for at least for a while, is up here, close to
And then
McLeod.
there's
Missouri.
a covered bridge here at the state park that was actually in a conservation area that kept flooding. So they moved it to the state park. And we're going to see it too. We're going to have breakfast though. Do you know what we're having?
Yeah, we're supposed to be, well, the recipe that Angel found is actually a brunch recipe, but by the time we get around it might be brunch anyway. But it's supposed to be brunch tacos, pancake tacos.
Pancake
right? Yeah.
tacos. So we're going to get around and getting breakfast ready.
All right, see you here in a bit.
This is an excellent hack I got off the internet. And now our bacon's covered. Okay, now the recipe says to use your homemade pancakes. We like this stuff. It's Aldi's brand buttermilk biscuit or buttermilk pancake mix, so we're just using it. Use whatever you're comfortable with. And then that's 1 cup of pancake mix and 2/3 cup water. And I know this bowl is overkill, but it has a nice spout on it. Now we're going to do our filling. We got our meat, which is the bacon. And we got our taco, which is the tortilla, or the pancake. So now we're going to do the egg. And I think our skillet's going to be hot enough to where we're hopefully not going to have any heat. Now, they had it with just the egg not scrambled. We're scrambling our egg. Well, this salt shaker is not liking the humidity.
Now, am I correct? The way the recipe called for is to make your pancake more like a McGriddle, like a McDonald's thing, right? Where you're supposed to put some syrup in the pancake.
Yes, but we don't like that. So
At least I don't care for it. I know you like unless you
I
like
do like a
McGriddles
McGriddle.
better,
but knowing, and it also, the recipe calls for sriracha and salsa. We're not doing that either. We don't like, I have to be in the mood for salsa on my eggs. And
well,
I
it
think they
definitely
go
would be
with
more of a
pancakes.
brunch. It's still our breakfast time, so.
Bacon first, in the middle. And our bacon got a little done.
Well, we wanted it fairly done,
Yes.
of course, so we gotta have something that's kind of crunchy in it since it's a soft taco. So.
There you go.
Thank you, hon.
What did I do with my...
A little pancake syrup on Angels. I'm definitely not a sweet type of mixed like that, so I'm not putting pancake syrup on mine.
See, it does kind of look like a taco.
Certainly does. Alright, this is the General John J. Pershing Boyhood Home State Historic Site. That's where the museum, and I go over there. I go over there, and I think that's the Boyhood Home. Yes. There. Right there, isn't it?
That was one.
Yeah. Interesting side fact, Missouri Mule kind of is the most famous of the war heroes, especially up through World War I, even into World War II. There's some of his uniform that he Pershing was actually a soldier at Wounded Knee, December 29th. Fact 2.
What?
The German tank M26 90mm gun, named after General Pershing. This is kind of a cool thing I didn't know. These are from 1897 to 2022. Iron Riders, possible for 25th Infantry.
We tried to come to this. It was
Pretty neat. Just one block away from the museum, we came to see General John J., which was Joseph Pershing Boyhood State Historic Site, and this is the home that he was grown up in. It's currently under construction. It's like they had to put a new foundation under it. I'm working on that. So I think we were actually here in 2020 during COVID. A lot of stuff was closed, of course, then, but I think they still had a lot of museum stuff in the house, didn't they, Angel? Yeah. This is a neat memorial. It's not only for Pershing, but it's just a general war memorial for lots of the different people that served from this area in Missouri. Right in the same block as where his boyhood home was, the Prairie Mound School. Says here it was built in 1874. Well, that was a nice little tour in the town of Laclede, Missouri. Some neat history here, especially World War I stuff and even stuff newer than that. But we're finished at the outside of the boyhood home, and I think we're getting ready to probably close out this video because we're going to continue. Pardon for the interruption. We're going to continue
next week.
Next week for part 2.
We're going to show you the campground next week and the covered bridge. We're going to go get the girls now, but we're going to leave it here. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, which is a like. Share us on Facebook and Instagram. What else do they need to do, Wade?
Don't forget to subscribe.
We'll see you next week.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.